Father, I'm not questioning your power. I'm just asking, where do I go from here? Where do I go from here? Past the Reggae fire. Your guidance, please make it clear. I'm trying to push through another day, but it feels like I'm slowly fading away. Working paycheck to paycheck just to survive, but the bills keep coming. How do I stay alive? I feel like I'm sinking with no way out. Still I lift my hands and cry it out. Everyday expenses climbing high, and my income just stays the same. Why? Feels like I'm trapped in a hopeless loop, trying to stay strong, but I'm losing true. Where do I go from here, Lord? I'm tired and broken, my soul is worn. I believe you hear me, I believe you care, so I keep lifting my voice into the air. Where do I go if you don't lead the way? I'm praying, I'm waiting still every day. One more chance, Lord, to see the light, because down here feels like hell at night.
I'm working 2 jobs and I still can't breathe. I can't afford peace, can't afford relief. Tried running Uber in my beat-up car, but the heat don't work when the winters are hard. In the summer there's no AC, customers complaining constantly. Now the car's broken down, can't even drive. I'm back on the bus just trying to survive. Every night I whisper a quiet prayer, trying to believe you're still up there. I tell myself I'm not alone, but I feel forgotten when I'm on my own.
Where do I go from here, Lord? I'm tired and broken, my soul is worn. I believe you hear me, I believe you care, so I keep lifting my voice into the air. Where do I go if you don't lead the way? I'm praying, I'm waiting still every day. One more chance, Lord, to see the light, because down here feels like hell at night. Last night when I came home late, the landlord had my bags outside the gate. Now I'm homeless and I'm still praying, still holding on to the hope I'm claiming. I remember the old saying, what doesn't cost life don't cost nothing. But how is it living when you can't afford living? I'm not ungrateful, I'm just being honest and driven. I'm not stealing, not lying, not out for revenge. I just work hard, hoping life might bend. Now my clothes are packed in a broken car and with no wheels. I can't get far, I have no bed, but I still bow my head in that front seat, whispering what I said. Lord, I need you, please come near. I can't carry this anymore, I need you here. Where do I go from here, Lord? I'm tired and broken, my soul is worn. I believe you hear me, I believe you care, so I keep lifting my voice into the air. Where do I go if you don't lead the way? I'm praying, I'm waiting still every day. One more chance, Lord, to see the light, because down here feels like hell at night. This world feels like hell already, and I don't want to go through hell twice. So even if I have no roof above me, my heart will remain my church.
Hey, beautiful people of planet Earth, and possibly a few aliens with good taste. I just wanted to pause my reggae rhythms and give a big, belly-busting thank you to all my incredible subscribers. You, yes you, who clicked that magical red subscribe button like it was a hot patty fresh out the oven. Whether you came for the music, stayed for the vibes, or accidentally hit the wrong channel while searching for how to make Jamaican stew peas, I appreciate you like a DJ loves a rewind. Because of you, Jam That Life is bubbling hotter than Scotch bonnet in July, and we're only getting started.